What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle. We're on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, baby wanted some Philly cheesesteak tonight, so that is what I'm going to make him. Before we get into the video, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. So y'all, I got my pan already getting hot. I'm putting a little bit of vegetable oil in the pan, and then I'm gonna put some butter. And I already have my bell peppers and onions cut up. Y'all know that I'm generally gonna go ahead and prep everything off camera. I feel like that's much more easy for me to do, so that's what I've been doing lately. And y'all can see in the pan good. Okay, so I have the oil in, I just have some butter. And y'all, I seen somebody do this on something. Y'all know I like watch a lot of random things on social media, but somebody was doing butter and cooking oil, so I've been doing it. But I already have the bell peppers and the onions. So I'm gonna let this pan, it's already a little bit hot, but I'm gonna let it get a little hotter. Well, I guess I can go ahead and put it in there. And I cut the onions fairly thin. And then I cut the bell peppers. Yeah. And baby didn't care about having red pepper, so I just did bell pepper and onion, and he said he's cool with that. I do have the steak, and this should make enough for baby to eat tonight and some for his lunch. I'm gonna eat me a club sandwich because I got me 2 pieces of bacon in the oven. I'm gonna eat a club sandwich tonight, but I'm not gonna show me making that because it's just literally a sandwich or whatever. But I never cooked this on the channel. This is really easy as well though. But I figured I'd bring it to the channel because a lot of y'all like when I cook. And plus, y'all know I want the channel to be a wide range of things. But anyway, this is just some crushed red pepper. Baby likes a lot, he likes spice. So I'm gonna add that for him. And I really could go ahead and put this in there, which I am. And y'all, this is my first time well, this is my second time making a Philly cheesesteak. The first time I did eat it, it was some months ago. But we used the frozen meat. But this time we went ahead and got the raw one. So hopefully it gives baby like a better, more original taste. I don't know. Or I don't even know if it really matters. But anyway, that's what we have. Give me a second, y'all. So y'all see how shredded it is. I never bought this meat before, but apparently a lot of people use this more than the frozen one that I bought the first time I made it. But I'm gonna let that cook. I might have to turn it up so it can really start cooking. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce on there, a little bit. Y'all know I'm gonna go in with some seasoned salt. I'm gonna go in with some beef bouillon. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Black pepper. And I don't think I need the sea salt. And that's really it as far as I can think of. I will have baby come and taste this at some point. But y'all know my staple seasonings are always garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper and seasoned salt. Those are just like basic seasonings that go on generally everything besides like eggs. Eggs I generally only use like salt and pepper, but if I cook like something, those seasonings go on there to me. Now to each his own, but you know. Okay, so the meat is starting to cook up some, y'all. It's turning brown. I think y'all can see. Let me take my bacon out. And this is a very, very, very simple meal. You literally don't have to do much. And then we have the little rolls that the steak will go on, the Philly cheesesteak. And I do have some white American cheese. And I'm gonna put maybe some queso cheese on it as well. I saw somebody doing that on TikTok. So baby said, yeah, he'll take some queso cheese on top. So y'all, it's very, very simple. Just onions and peppers and the steak and cheese with the roll that it goes on. And y'all can tell it is starting to, well, y'all might can't see, but it's starting to get brown. But you do have to separate the meat though, I will say that. But it smells good, y'all, already. It smells so good. So I'm gonna let this cook and then I'll come back when it's done, because it's literally me just, you know, zhuzhing it around until the meat is done. So I'll be back in a minute. So the meat is done. And now I'm just heating up another skillet to toast his bread a little bit. Oh, right here. Oh, I guess I gotta. Open it like this, try not to break it. But I'm literally just getting this hot. And I'm gonna put him some white American and heat him up some queso cheese and pour it on top. And he'll give y'all a taste test. Give me a second. Now I'm putting his second one on there. And I got the owl high just so I can get a little crisp on the bread. So I'm about to put this on while it's still hot. Okay. I'm gonna take that off the iron. And this one broke apart, y'all, but we're gonna make it do what it do. So I'm gonna try to kind of fold the one that didn't. Oh, y'all can't even see my bed. Let me put y'all down. So I put the cheese on the bottom, and then we're gonna make this one do what it do, cause this one broke apart, but we got it. And y'all, with this cheese, you could just heat it in the microwave. So that's what I'm about to do. And give me a second. Oh, what a fork. Right here. So I can go ahead and put some meat and peppers on here. Y'all, this is gonna be messy, but I'm gonna give him a fork. Okay. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay. Okay, so now we have this melted. I'm literally just gonna pour this on top. Okay. And this is the one that broke apart, as y'all can already tell. But y'all, that is baby's Philly cheesesteak. And give me a second to see if he want to give y'all a taste test. Okay, so baby is doing a taste test. He already took one bite, y'all, but he gonna do a taste test for y'all. You ready, babe? Okay. All right. You like that, hon? Mm-hmm. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all, so baby likes it. Y'all, this is a very simple, like 30-minute meal, quick and easy. Literally, baby has a lot of this left over. I'll pack him some for lunch. I just didn't have a taste for Philly cheesesteak or whatever, but he did, so y'all know I cook whatever he wants 90% of the time. But anyway, y'all, that's that. I hope y'all learned something from my little get down. But anyway, quick, simple, easy 30-minute meal, Philly cheesesteak. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And honey, y'all already know we are out.
Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear